What's going on? This has been our ride for the last 5 days. Rented this Jeep on Turo, and it's been pretty fun. Drove up to the Grand Canyon. That's on the other channel, but I wanted to just show you this Jeep real quick because there's some things I really like about it. So number one, it looks good. It's veteran owned, and it's got some really cool little nuggets on there. Check out the antenna. It's a bullet. That's so cool. So it's got a good stance. It's got Fox shocks, and I think the bumpers look really good as well. Good approach angle with this. I mean, I'm not sure how strong they are for wheeling. I don't think they built this with the intention of wheeling. They did it for looks, but it does look pretty good. Been living in it for 5 days, so it's not as clean as when we got it, but I really love the interior color. That dark tan looks good. The sound system's awesome. It's got some Alpine subs in it. It's got the Apple CarPlay. A lot of this stuff's just like new car stuff that I'm not used to having, but it's pretty nice. Heated seats. The AC blows good. You just pop it open. Now this is the coolest part. It's got the diesel in it. So I believe this is the same diesel that I dealt with in that Grand Cherokee I had, but it just feels awesome. It's so torquey. With this thing, we were getting 25 miles a gallon driving up to Flagstaff and back. We drove all the way to the Grand Canyon, actually. So lots of mountain roads, lots of ups and downs, and 25 miles a gallon. And we were driving like 75 the whole way on 35s. So that's pretty crazy to me. I never got that good of mileage in the Grand Cherokee. I was dealing with some intake issues on that thing. So I don't know if they got it resolved by the time this year came out. Anyway, super torquey. You can go as fast as you want to go. It pulls hard, and 25 miles a gallon. Lifted on 35s. So that's pretty sweet. One of the things I don't like about it is they didn't upgrade any of the control arms or steering when they lifted it. So it kind of has, when you hit bumps and stuff, you can feel it. It doesn't handle as well as like Jared's Jeep, which he upgraded all the steering and track bars and stuff, so it rides real nice. But that diesel is actually pretty cool. So anyway, I would highly recommend trying out new vehicles on Turo. It's kind of fun to try out something that you might not buy otherwise. This doesn't work for us because of the seat belts. Basically, we don't have enough seat belts, so that's why I'm gonna have to drive the Yukon for a while. But it is fun to try out something new. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, Pete. See you next time.